What's up?
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God they make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So my G's right now, my day, don't know, it's evening time now. Because from watching the previous vlog, when you see some day, I cook some porridge this morning and go and bake something. Well, Chabas, they don't link me already from morning and make me know say not touch road. So Chabas over S and mid over here, so and me basically not do nothing from there. Me legit not do nothing from there. When me drink the porridge, me the writer, so I play some Grand Theft Auto. From morning me I play Grand Theft. I'm just there bail, me not do nothing. Yeah, but right now it's dinner time. I mean I have to do something for dinner time. And let me see what we are gonna deal with for dinner time, because me own, you know. Alright, the potato, yeah, me been want to cook the potato, yeah. So I probably boil this sweet potato. I probably boil sweet potato. Flour. So I probably boil dumpling. Boil sweet potato, and so else there. Just a work on me never know nothing what I gonna make yet, never. Me always just figure it out on the spot. So Irish, so I probably boil 2 Irish, boil 2 dumpling, boil the sweet potato, and me not think me need nothing more than that. For the meat kind, I probably just now if you have, now we have them enough. Probably just do 2 dirty girl. Tin mackerel, tin boom. So whereas no, me not mix up nothing more. So for right now, that are the dish. Boiled dumpling, sweet potato, 2 Irish, and tin mackerel. That are dinner right now. So yeah, me about to get it chefing up right now, get it prepared and everything, and then me check in back with you. Mad move. So right now, I am about to need some flour and make them into dumplings. Put them in the boiling water right there. Well, people don't know to need flour, but I'm going to teach you today, okay? I don't know why I talk to you. I apologize. Remember, me alone me I cook for today, so I don't need much flour. Just need a little pinch of salt. Add a little water. Now at the kneading time, you know. Now you just knead it. Alright, my G's, flour basically done. Remember me tell you now me alone me I cook for, so we don't need much. You know, me not really know how to knead flour, me just know if to do this. When I say knead flour, I mean make your dumpling them. I don't know if you really make a dumpling, I just do it like this. Press it so. And when it come out, so I just stretch it out. And then come out looking like this. Then look ugly and weird, but I consume them so. Do this first. You roll them up so. I see this in our movie. You roll them up so then you press it so. So you can press out. Jesus Christ, them flour are big. I put 2 in on my plate. I'm not supposed to want no more when I put 2 in on my plate. Watch out now. Could I? Look at my palm and look at my dumpling. You want some healthy flour I make right now. Some healthy one name. They are big. Watch out. They are, you know when man a work grave digging and name something like. And then type of flour they supposed to eat, could they? Big! Yeah, I make them flour and then peel the sweet potato and then I link on the back. Alright? Alright, mad move, me there. So right now you don't know, say dumpling pot a boil up. Dumpling in that 2 pieces of Irish and 2 pieces of sweet potato, you know what I mean? Yo, sweet potato bad, you know. Only thing this missing a piece of pumpkin, piece of yam, and piece of ripe plantain and a banana. Damn, a whole heap of thing that one. Alright, my G's, we officially are going good right now. Lift up a pot off my fire just for sure. You know what I mean? You have to have your pepper in, because tin mackerel have to cook very, very spicy. when you cook spicy, it tastes a different way. Tastes look better. For all them stuff, I'm plugging my charger because my phone are dead. Yeah man, that's a luxury when using my phone and not the vlog camera. If I did the vlog camera I use right now, but then I have to turn off all of this and just, yo, I see a lizard on the fence. I can't even finish what I say to you. Yo, them full the place, them is so disgusting, yo. Jeez and peas, yo, look here. Could they? Hombre, you don't live nowhere. You don't live nowhere? Nowhere you don't have for yourself? You know a big sun that you hear on people fence dog? My youth, you don't live nowhere? Yo, if you ever run off of me, I tear down the whole of this. Let me go in here, so yeah, because I don't like lizard, you know. I'll video you from behind here. What about the boxing match?
Alright, let me talk to you now. Alfred's supposed to fight. For those who new subscribers and G's them, me and Alfred supposed to fight. Someone who know already. Me a plan till me reaching at the 90 or maybe 100 vlog. Right now me the 70. I don't know, because I do so much. So I don't know which number me there right now. If you don't want to know which number vlog, me there look up right. So definitely I go have the boxing match between me and Alfred. And we are going to fight in the house, in a AC. You see it? And we are doing it.
Luxury fight.
It's a luxury fight. Yeah man, no sweating or nothing. You see it? Because I know if we go out the door, the boxing match now go on for too long. Because we're going to get tired and the heat of Friday are going bad from one.
No money different, no?
Yeah man, so here we pre now. We just are going to have the boxing match in the house. And this is going to be recorded. We're not going to go live. We just are going to go record it, you see it? Do it for YouTube, do it for the vlog and my G's them. I'm glad Famous forward back. Because we'd actually wait for Famous to forward back before we do the fight, yeah.
My ref.
Yeah, and we are going to make the video long.
Right.
Maybe 40 minutes. I'm not going to go hour. 40 minutes. Yeah,
the fight even last one round.
Yeah man, it's off. Come here, knock him out. No, man, give me ratings there. What's up? Yo, but the fight is supposed to be interesting and entertaining for me. I can't wait. I put time in editing that vlog the phone.
True.
So you might not get it the next day, but the other day. You get me? I say?
Yeah,
so
take a day editing.
Yeah, I have to go skip a day to put some time in editing them vlog. Because believe it or not, I wanna get vlog pan rapid so between me and Famous. We wake up early or we stay up late in the night. That's how I now watch them vlog every day. And for upload the vlog them is awesome right now. Because the internet in a Friday. The internet in a whole thing. So we don't just go on journey with you as we do it for the vlog. For me G's them, Boba Cook, we don't know already. And dumpling they look like cereal.
Yo, them one dumpling can't fool me.
Let me take up one of them and show you. Guess who is here for the boxing match between me and you see it? So,
yeah.
We da wait till we reach vlog 90, but me say me wait till we reach a vlog 100. Me and you have a fight for the boxing match. Cool with that. Alright. Him want put up money to you know.
Where you doing a move, Vernon?
Boy, go in kilowatt.
Where are you doing a move,
You should
Vernon?
have make him check in still, Dante. Me say I drive the man in the car. You should have make him check in, you know. Lucky move on never did.
Yeah, but I'm making check in.
And they turn up nice. Oh yeah.
Me see a record so naked girl.
Okay, go on. I want to do them. McDonald's?
Burger King.
Them there on Burger King.
It go viral.
Yeah, be careful. Someone in another vlogger because somebody
Too much naked. Everybody in
naked. In McDonald's and close tear
Burger
off. Burger King. Man, Kilowatt did it at the same place.
Live,
we get it as it up. It's in our chat room, but we can't show you right now.
No, the fight they can't touch it.
Me and Alfred definitely are going to fight. Me a while ago.
Don't worry about that.
You really want to kick it also? All is over. Oh, yeah, hold me back.
Consume my food. I bring some food.
How you buy?
Food.
Where you buy?
Pork, a bit.
No, fried chicken.
And what?
Rice and peas.
What kind of gravy?
You are standing, I'm chicken.
Yo, Rastanium, everything called meat.
I'm pork in the right.
The Rastanium, everything called meat.
Fire.
Ross, be a vegetarian sometime.
Fire. Look at that.
Vegetable.
The sugar in that.
Right now, you don't know is a finishing touch to the food. The food done. Me out do I consume the food. So until next time, big up on yourself.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself want some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself want some more that please them.